Okay, it's fine. Okay, so here, if you look at the first letter, the waw, it doesn't have anything, isn't it? So it's silent, you ignore that. So first is u, then it's a la, which has a standing fatha and a mud, so you stretch it, remember? And then I, and then ka. So repeat after me. Ulaika.
Ulaika.
Yeah, then it's an ayn, and the lam with a standing fatha. So the ayn is pronounced from the middle of the throat. So pronounced from the middle of the throat. Ah. So try not to make it sound like an ah. It's ah. Ala.
Ala.
Okay, that was getting there. Okay, then you have to say the whole thing in one go. The whole box. Ulaika ala.
Ulaika ala.
Yeah, that's good. It's a ha, then it's a dal. This dal will join to the mim of the next word because the mim has a shadda, isn't it? Can you see? So hudam. Read it.
Hudam.
Yeah, so you have to do ghunna. Do you remember the ghunna rule? If a mim or a nun has a shadda, you will do ghunna. And do you remember what ghunna means? Heavy sound from the
Nose.
Yeah, so you have to remember that rule. So if a mim or a nun has a what?
Has a shadda.
You will do what?
Ghunna.
Ghunna means?
A heavy sound from the nose.
Yeah. So which two letters do you do ghunna on?
Mim and nun.
Yeah. Okay. So hudammir.
Hudammir.
Yeah, so the second mim has joined to the ra, then the ra will join to the ba. Rabbihim.
Rabbihim.
Now the whole box all together. Hudammir rabbihim.
Hudammir rabbihim.
And now here is the same as the first word that we just done. Except it has a wa at the beginning. Wa ulaika.
Wa ulaika.
Next line. Humul.
Humul.
So the mim over here joins to the lam on the next word. And the other thing you need to do is read the ha correctly over here. So I have underlined on my one. So that comes from the middle of the throat as well, just like a ayn. Humul muflihun. Okay, let's read that. Let's break it down. Muflihun. So you need to work on the ha. Make it strong. Remember how we said it? How to practice the ha? Put your hand over your mouth. And imagine your hand is cold and heat it up. That same sound. Muflihun. Try it. Okay, you need to work on that. And now the whole box together. Humul muflihun. Okay, let's break it down. Over here. Humul muflihun. Humul muflihun. Okay, until then. So practice up till here first, and once you're ready, I'll take this and move on to the next ayah. Okay, so make that perfect. And you know how to stop in the middle of a box. And try practicing your letters, the ayn and the ha.